Hi, my name is Ryan, and I'm going to show you some cool new Lego City police sets that I got for my birthday. Well, first here is the prisoner truck, and it came like with this robber, and it has handcuffs in them for him, so that can and it's like this red thingy that so it can break open stuff. And I'm gonna put the handcuffs on him. There we go. And he's in a truck, and it's like these binoculars that are for the horns. Yeah, and this is a cool set. And there's also a police guy in here who has a coffee cup, and it's so cool because the doors can open up. And I made put on the wheels. And I also made this out on my own. I also put the stickers on. Yeah, so it's really cool. And here we have this small guy, and at the back of the guy that has the helmets on, it's labeled police. See, labeled police. And this is my second police bike, but it's more different. And it can only stand on like tables, like hard wood tables. Yeah, and it has a gate on the back, and that's about it for this one. And there's like this truck. Yeah, and I put this one together, but these were number 1, this is number 2, probably this was number 3, yeah, probably number 4, and there's like some stuff in here, like a gate and some money and another thing in there. And it's like goes open. And there's like a dog in there, and you might know why there's a cup here, because there's a cup here for the chief, and the chief is driving in the front. Yeah, it's pretty awesome, and there's also 2 computers. Yeah, and the coffee maker looks different like my other ones. The first like a magnifying glass. And he's closed and open, and this goes up and down. And now on to the back. It's like a jail for these 2 robbers, and they can go in there. And it's like a key. And the wheels look so awesome. This looks like a real police truck. Now on to the front. Like, the trailer can undo, and it's like a holder for it, like that. And this is so awesome, plus this goes on and off, and here's the chief. Yeah, it's my first Lego chief with this kind of clothes. And pretty awesome. It's like a light sun. It's labeled police on the front. And it's like this is like my first big piece for the top of the truck. And this is by stay tuned for my second Lego review.